Filmed and edited by Dawnconcepts.
Hi, we are at the Africa Rail at Gibela station. Bye.
Thanks for having me. Good afternoon. And yes, we have been doing some great work with PRASA. We have a partnership with PRASA where we are manufacturing 600 train sets for PRASA, and we are also looking after the trains in the form of the technical services and support agreement we have with them, which is a 19-year contract. So the idea behind it is we make a good product and we look after the product so that PRASA as an operator is able to provide a high-level service to its commuters. And at this point we have now breached the 335 mark in terms of 600 trains, so well beyond the halfway mark for 600 trains, and all is going well. Our factory, which is based in Nepuruleni in Danota, is well established now, very matured. In fact, we have one of the fastest production rates globally, where we are able to produce between 6 and 7 trains a month to supply the PRASA product contract.
My perspective of rail in Africa is that rail is one of the most sustainable ways of connecting the continent and at the same time creating tons of employment for the young people of the continent who are struggling with employment, and also establishing businesses that could easily pivot to other areas of the industries that we want to establish. So in the continent, and particularly in our region in SADC, there is great opportunity for us to change the lives of our young people, but also build sustainable enterprises whilst we are building into a sustainable industry.
The impact of the partnership is great because we have seen many graduates, masters and doctoral graduates who are supported through this specific research, and we have also seen a lot of innovation in terms of the products that researchers from TUT has produced, and that has made a great impact in terms of productivity, in terms of the production line where things are happening at Gibela. So we are almost part of the TUT and Gibela partnership, and I think TUT and Gibela are going very strong, and we hope this relationship will make a great impact in terms of the rail systems in South Africa.
Thanks for your feedback, Hope. So my presentation was about our contribution towards engineering the sector using localization and human development. So my focus, particularly on human development, was around our skills development program, where I unpacked what we do in terms of programs. We have a bursary program where we award 200 bursaries per year to those who want to pursue engineering studies at TVET level as well as at universities. We also have internship programs where we take them on board to expose them to the work environment. We use the same pool that we've given bursaries to say for those who have completed, let's put them through the program. In addition to that, we have apprenticeship programs where we take them until they get qualified as artisans and they get their red cells. Another most important program is our transfer of technology. And this we executed particularly in the beginning, where our technical partner was transferring skills and know-how to locals. And in this regard, we sent engineers abroad who learned how to develop, how to design, manufacture and maintain trains. And the artisans, when they came back, they applied the train-the-trainer principle to develop those who were in the country. We had expatriate colleagues who also transferred that knowledge. And in terms of localization, we went to the market and we identified suppliers with full capacity and capability and see where can we leverage. And there were procurement domains such as your interior and metallics where we're able to leverage. In cases where there were gaps, we used our supplier development program to try and increase their capacity. So we have a supplier development team where they would send their supplier quality people to go and conduct audits, identify gaps, and put together a plan to close those gaps. So in summary, that's what I was talking about. Thank you.
Good day. I've just participated in the maintenance discussion panel. We were discussing the use of